Hello y'all, Chef Jeff is back with another video. Hey, today I'm doing something this is really country. What I'm about to do, it's so old school and it's so easy. I think we had this particular salad I'm making one every week at my house growing up because it's so easy and everything we got out of the garden. It's old school, I guess you call it a tomato, cucumber, onion salad. All these items we grew in the garden. The cucumbers, the onions, tomatoes we used to get out of right in our back door at the garden. My mama used to mix it with vinegar, oil, salt, and pepper, and that was it. So that's what we're gonna do today. So it's very simple way I do this. I'm gonna show you. I use different types of vinegar depending on what I'm making and you're gonna eat it with. And that's what I use different types of vinegars in. So what it is, let me show you here. I got cucumbers. I'm gonna show you how I slice them in just a second. Tomatoes, and then onions. Very, very simple. But I cut them particular ways so they will go in the plate better. Okay, the cucumber here. I use an English cucumber. What I do here, I'll show you. I just peel it. You can use a peeler you want to, but I just take a paring knife. Just kind of cut it. But like I say, I know everybody should have grew up. If you old school, you country, or just back in the day, this is something I guarantee you probably have in your refrigerator right now. It's a nice, it's the summer's springtime now, and the summer's coming along. It's definitely a go-to item that you would definitely need. So what I do, I peel my cucumber, and I cut it in half, and I take the seeds out. What I do, just take a spoon here, curved spoon, and I'll go down the middle like that, take the seeds out. Go down the middle here, take the seeds out. Some still in there. And I'll take it here, I'll slice it. Slice it here. Got that little curve effect. See how curvy they are? So you got that little curve effect on the cucumber. And the onions I just cut in half. I take it here and I just slice it really, I want to slice it really thin. Real like paper thin. I don't want them thick. I want when the vinegar hits it, you don't want a thick onion. You want it really thin like that. See that? I add them to that. Break them up. The other one's in there. Got one here, and you cut this one in half too. Ready? Really thin. Okay. Now my tomatoes. What I do when I get tomatoes, I use Roma tomatoes. I try to go to the store and pick the smallest Roma tomatoes I can. The reason I do that, because they're so sweet and flavorful. The smaller the tomato, the more sweeter it is. And make sure it's bright red. It's getting to the summertime now that the tomatoes gonna be more flavorful than in the winter. So I never make this salad in the winter time. I always wait till the spring and summer to do it, because the tomatoes have more flavor. Okay, I take the little core out, cut them in half here, and I cut it in half again, cut it in half again, go across. That's it. Go across. That's it. And then you got the little cube tomatoes. I'll do this one the same way. Half. And that's it. Put it in the bowl here. And I'm going to get a bigger bowl here because I think this bowl going to be too small. Give me 1 second here. I'm going to grab a bigger bowl. Okay, I got a bigger bowl here because I'm going to mix this up. All right, that's more like it. Okay, now, the knives over here out of the way. Now we're going to make our dressing. Very simple. Like I say, you can use whatever vinegar you like. Now I like using real olive oil. You can use vegetable oil. I like using real olive oil when I do this. It gives it more of a distinctive flavor. So I use about a cup, maybe a cup and a half of real olive oil. And then you can use whatever you want. I'm gonna use a little apple cider vinegar, a white vinegar, a little regular white vinegar, and then I'm gonna use a balsamic vinegar. I love the taste of balsamic vinegar, so I'm gonna use a little balsamic, and that's it. A little salt and pepper in here. You can use the dressing out of the bottle if you like. I mean, that's what you prefer. Just mix it up, and I'm gonna taste this and make sure it's good before I pour it on the salad here. I think I need a little bit more vinegar. A little bit more vinegar in it. Okay. Again here. That's it. Now, what I'm gonna do, like I said, it don't take much. You don't want to overdress it. Pour it over the salad. You can generally just toss it together just like this. And I'm gonna taste it again and see if I need salt in it. See that? Like I said, you can use whatever vinegar you like. I like creating with different vinegar. Of course, at home, my mom, we only had one kind of vinegar, which is the regular white distilled vinegar. Okay, and let me taste this and see if I need to put salt in here. Pepper in here. A little salt and pepper. That's it, y'all. Now I'm gonna let this sit here about 10-15 minutes and let it marry together the flavor. I'm gonna plate some up, really taste it, and we're gonna see how it is. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, let me put some in a bowl here. Like I say, this stuff is so good. I'm gonna try it out and see how it tastes. And like I said, you can use red onions if you want to. I mean, you can really be creative with this. It's just how I make it. Like I said, I different kinds of vinegars, depending on what I'm eating it with. So let's try this here. Should I get a little bit of everything? Tomato, onions. Let's see here. It's so good. As you know, I just set up. It's going to even be better. This is very refreshing. Very refreshing salad. Nice, fresh, flavorful tomatoes, cucumbers, onions. What else can you hope for? Alright, guys and girls, that's the end of the video here. Please comment on the video. Please share to my other social media accounts. Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, oldschoolsoulfood.com, and Facebook. So, until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day.